Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Overwatch 2 for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Overwatch 2 for free on your PC or laptop, first, I want you to make sure that you already have Steam installed on your device, since this is where we will download the game. So if you don't have Steam yet, I have an easy and clear tutorial video on how to install it. I will leave the link of the video on the description down below, so just watch it and then come back here once you already have your Steam. And now that you already have your Steam, let me now show you how to download Overwatch 2 for free on your PC or laptop. So to do that, first, I want you to open your Steam. By the way guys, if some of you are not familiar with Steam yet, Steam is a popular platform for gamers where you can browse and download a wide variety of games, and Overwatch 2 is one of the games they offer. So to download Overwatch 2 here on Steam, first, you just need to search for the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And here's the game Overwatch 2 guys. So to download it, just scroll down and then you will be able to see this play game button right here. Just go and click it. And then Steam will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this gear or settings icon, then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after that, the game will now start installing. So if you want to view or monitor the installation progress, just click the library tab and then select the downloads option. And then there you go guys, your Overwatch 2 will now start installing. The installation might take some time depending on your internet speed, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.